Okay, my kids decided that I told them that if I bought them this and they ate this whole bag, I will buy them a bigger bag of chips, whatever they like. So, seaweed, roasted seaweed. Yuck. So, Julian, Alicia, and Jacob are planning on eating these ugly old things. Leave them alone. I'm over here. Come on. Don't worry about that. So, I'm going to let Alicia open them up. Jacob, are you in it or not? Okay, well, get over here. Open it.
Open it fast.
They don't got to open it fast. It ain't no present or anything. It's some nasty old seaweed. Oh, wait. Relax. I want everybody to eat it all at once. No, wait, back up. Y'all getting too close. Oh, and then I guess my wife wants to get into it too.
Spicy pepper.
Back up, back up. Okay. Julian's smart. He wants to go get some water. Okay, y'all back up, back up. Back up, back up. I want to see something. Back up. Let me see.
But you don't want to eat it?
Well, then you don't get the big bag of chips. Go ahead. Let's see. Knock yourself out. Y'all got the whole bag, the box to eat.
Ate it.
The whole thing.
Oh no.
Look, I'll eat three then. I'll eat three. I'll eat three at the same time.
What's wrong, Julian?
It's spicy. They're eating it.
And my dogs are trying to get in the mix.
They are eating it.
Don't give them that seaweed stuff.
Why? It's not bad for them.
No, it's not. Don't give them that.
Why?
Because you don't know if they can eat it or not. Don't. You're really like messing up my video right now. Come on. Come on. Y'all gotta eat the whole thing.
Let's get on that. Let me go get some more.
Oh, and on another thing too, if they don't eat that whole thing, they owe me. Well, Julian gave up, so that means he ain't getting a big bag of chips. Oh, of course.
I thought you eat it.
Ah, I'm not.
Yeah, eat it. Yeah. Get out.
What happened?
Alicia went to go throw up. Yeah. You too. You went and hurled that out, didn't you?
No, do more. And you're smart. Do more one than one paper.
I'm not. I did. I had already.
Do more than one paper.
You actually.
I guess Jacob's the only one that's gonna get. Look, this is the only one that's over there. It died on it. Don't be hurling up over here.
I'm gonna get it.
I wanna fucking die. Oh no. Nah, get away with it. I'm not doing that. I'm dying over here because this is so fucking funny. Oh my god. This is so hilarious. Just because I even tried it, I'm still gonna buy him a bag of chips. This is so fucking funny. Oh my god. We're done. No, get away with that present stuff.
He doesn't matter. No, Daddy, I have a big
Get away.
just for you.